Hey, so if you want to get more done faster using Opera One browser, yeah, a few smart customizations can turn it into a serious productivity tool. In this guide, I'll show you how to customize Opera One for productivity step by step in 2026. First, create workspaces for different tasks like work, study, and personal browsing. Turn on or use tab islands so related tabs are automatically grouped and easier to manage. Pin your most used websites like email, documents, or dashboards so they're always one click away. Turn on the built-in ad blocker to reduce distractions and speed up page loading. Use the sidebar for quick access to messaging apps, notes, or AI tools without switching tabs. Keep only essential extensions installed to avoid slowing down your browser. Turn on memory-saving features to suspend inactive tabs and improve speed. Set your startup page to a dashboard with your most important tools and websites. Learn a few shortcuts to switch tabs, search faster, and navigate more efficiently. And yeah, that's it. With these customizations, Opera One becomes a powerful productivity browser.